Nice. I just want to say, today I had a non-scale victory. What happened was, we went and had breakfast at the Huddle House. And the last time we were at the Huddle House, I could barely fit in the booth. Today, we ate at the Huddle House, and look how much space I had between me, the booth, the table, and me. That was like, I felt so tiny sitting in that booth. Anyway, that's a non-scale victory for the day. Michael said that's what happens when you lose 50 pounds. Yep. Yesterday we went to the grocery store. We spent about 90 bucks. And yesterday afternoon, I spent the day cooking, weighing, and preparing. So that the next 2 weeks we're on the road, we don't have to spend any more money in the truck stops. We haven't spent any money in the truck stops really since we had our surgery over a month ago. And so today, let me show you what I'm getting ready to pack into our freezer. I made some lemon garlic salmon. That one's 2 ounces, and those two are 1 ounce each. And then those are both 2 ounces. I have turkey breast. It's 1.5 ounces each. I've got some more turkey breast, 2 ounces each. And I've got some meatballs. Each meatball is 2 ounces each. One year for Christmas, I asked for a food saver, and I got it. And I never used it until yesterday. It took me a minute to figure out how to make it work, but then I got it. And if we just spend $90 on groceries every couple of weeks and put it in the truck, we spent $90 on the both of us in a truck stop for 2 days. So we're going to have our house in no time because we're saving all our extra money for our house build. Also, while we were at the grocery store, we found these single-serve steamer bag vegetables. They're only 3 ounces. So Michael and I can easily, for one meal, have a meatball and some carrots, or a meatball and some green beans, or even broccoli. We even have a butternut squash in here someplace. They recommend for us to eat our serving size to be like 4 to 6 ounces. So that's perfect. That's 3 ounces plus 2 ounces of meat. That's 5 ounces for one meal. That's perfect. And yesterday, Michael and I, we had each a salmon, and then we split a bag of green beans, and it was the perfect amount of food for us with our new stomach. This is Catbox, California.
This is Golden Cat Road.
This is Catbox, California.
Not too long ago, I heard a quote on the Dr. Laura show, and it really resonated with me. It really hit home, and it's so perfectly well put that I thought I would share it with you. It goes like this: marriage is hard, being single is hard, choose your hard. Obesity is hard, being fit is hard, choose your hard.
Being in debt is hard, but being financially responsible is hard. Choose your hard. Communication is hard, not communicating is hard. Choose your hard.
Life will never be easy. It's always going to have its hard moments. But we can choose our hard, so choose wisely.